Hey beauties, so today we are going to do Feria in Extreme Platinum. So I know we tried this in Garnier and it definitely lightened my hair and such, but there were pieces that just didn't get platinum. They didn't get as light. They had a lot of like yellow warm tones to them. So we're going to see what this does, especially considering I'm starting from a reasonably light color. I put peachy pink on recently and that just has not completely washed out, but I'm hoping that this will take care of it. So this is supposed to lighten your hair, and here's the side of it. So it shows that so it says it lifts up to 7 levels for medium brown to dark blonde. That's a big claim, so we're gonna see. These gloves, man, they're so useless. Okay, I have my own gloves, don't worry. Okay, so let's check out what we have in here. We have, okay, the anti-brass conditioner, the developer, and it looks like we have not only the lightening cream, but we also have a shimmery bleach powder. All right, so we are going to find the directions. So it says you can't do this for more than 60 minutes, and you should lighten the length of your hair first and do the roots last. So it says to do the length of the hair for 20 to 30 minutes, and then add it on to the roots for an additional 20 to 30 minutes. So they're saying that the maximum amount of time shouldn't go past an hour. Which is fine. Of course, it says at the top that this is for natural hair. Who has completely a full head of natural hair that is going to decide to go extreme platinum? Like, the odds of that are just pretty slim. Odds are you will have dyed your hair previously if you're going to go this bold, in my opinion, but we're going to start with dropping things. Okay, so I cut the corner of the shimmering bleach powder and I'm going to put that into the developer. Alright, so we got the shimmering bleach powder in there. We have to add the shimmering lightening cream. Alright. Okay, so lighten the length first, staying 1 inch away from the scalp, and leave on for 20 to 30 minutes. Okay, so let's do that. So we're not doing the roots, we're just doing the rest. I know this is not going to be super precise and we're gonna end up getting our roots anyway, but we're at least gonna try not to, because that should count for something. Okay, so I'm just gonna double check that the back is pretty, like the length of it is good in the back as far as being covered with the dye. I feel like the front, aside from the roots, is pretty well covered. And then I usually do the max amount of time, so that's what I'll do. I'll check the back and then I'll do 30 minutes for that, and then I'll come back and put in the roots. All right, guys, so it has been half of an hour and it looks pretty light. So let's put the rest into the root area. And let me also say that I have learned that sometimes it looks like it's really light, and then when you rinse it out, it's not as light as you thought. So I'm just putting that out there. Like, sometimes I would be like, oh, it must be ready now. And it's not. And I can definitely see a lot of like yellow tones because, you know, this doesn't get toned, it just gets bleached, you know. So you may, if you do this, have to do your own toning. So Just putting it out there. We're gonna see what this looks like and decide from there if we need to tone or, you know, whatever. Okay, and I will do, again, a check in the mirror to make sure that I have my entire head, the back, the border, and obviously the entire root area. And the good news is we can already see it working there. So I must have, I'm guessing it creeped up there earlier, but it does still look like it's starting to work. So we're gonna do a half hour here, and then I will rinse and condition, and we will see what we've got. So, next time I want to bleach my own hair, please, for the love of God, send someone over to intervene. Just do it. It's okay. I'll give you my address. Okay, so my hair is light, but it's yellow, and the roots went quite golden, which I didn't anticipate because it said that it was made really for like virgin hair, and that's the hair that had not been dyed, even though it was much darker. So I feel like it should have gotten lighter. So we are yellow. So are we lighter? Yes, technically. But do we look good? No, we don't. So yeah. Thanks for watching, and tune into the next video where I hopefully fix this.